is wrong with you, Phillips? Your incompetence is staggering.
All my life, I felt powerless. I've never stood up for myself. But then...
You can come out now, it's okay.
I think maybe I'm in the wrong...
everything changed. You died, but you were reborn. By accepting all of who you are, you can be free.
She's very self-confident, almost angry.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Allergies?
This person doesn't like to play by all the rules.
Amateurs.
Steve says she jumps around like a cat. What should we call her?
Catwoman. You heard of her?
Oh yeah, hot. Black leather. Whip.
You're gonna look like a cop killer.
I might not be a hero, but I'm certainly not a killer.
Put your hands on your head.
Looking back on it now, dying was the best thing that ever happened to me.